Hello everyone, today I make beautiful vegetable dumplings. Looks so beautiful. If you like to see how I make them, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SAIGONCOOKtravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I have greens and broccoli, and these are aromatic ingredients: garlic, ginger, white part of green onions, the cilantro stem and onions. You want to read recipe in written form, head to the description box below. Now I'm chopping my green. I separate the tender parts separately with the tough one, because when I fry them I will add the tough parts first. Now I'm done with the green. I do the same thing with the broccoli. The top is more tender than the stem. So the stem I chop separately. I add to the other parts of the greens. The same thing I already chopped on the aromatic ingredients. Now on my skillet I have rendered fat, chicken fat. But if you don't like chicken fat, you can use oil. And I sauté my aromatic ingredients until fragrant, and then I add the tough parts first and stir around. And I add the broccoli top and then stir around again, and after that the tender parts of the green. If you don't have the Asian green, you can use cabbage or any vegetable, green vegetable instead. So I season very simple: salt, pepper and soy sauce. Now this is the dough. I have sourdough starter in it. Lately I love to have the sourdough starter in my dumpling dough. It makes the dough different, tender and chewy, and the thing that you can make it very thin. It makes it healthy that way. You don't want to eat a lot of dough. So I will post the recipe for dumpling dough with sourdough starter in it. Right now I have on my channel how to make the dough, the dumpling dough without the starter. You can use this as reference, or you can start with making without the sourdough. Now I divided my dough into 6 pieces. That's all I want for a meal. So I cut my mint leaves into small pieces, and I have zinnias as well. I will use them to engrave them into the dough to make beautiful design. You notice that I grow everything in my garden organically. That means I don't use commercial fertilizer. So my flower is edible. The mint of us. I wash them, and you can see I dry them on paper towel, and now I arrange them on my door. This is very forgiving. You just lay down them in a way that it looks pleasing to the eyes. That's it. Okay, and I press the pieces into my dough, and I flip it over, and I use the brush the water on so that my edges stick to each other. Let's do the second pieces. You don't need to add a lot of pieces, so because the round is very small. This is each dough is about 15 grams, and I roll it out about 3 inches in diameter. You see, this is the stuffing we already fried earlier, and it's cooled down right now. You can see I brush some water onto the edges, because when we roll the dough, we need flour because it might stick to each other, to the rolling pin. So with the help of water, the edge nicely stick to each other. Now, to make it more special, I will do the rope line along the edges. You just go on continuously this way, and then you will have the rope line. And that's it, you're done. And look beautiful. These vegetable dumplings are very healthy and delicious to eat. Now I add some oil onto my skillet, and I fry the bottom until golden brown, and I add about 2-3 tablespoons of water and cover so that they steam cook until the water evaporated, and you're done. You can see the dumplings are cooked now, and we are ready to eat. You can eat this dip in soy ginger vinegar dips. Thank you for watching. I see you soon next time. Bye bye.